Welcome to Lumimail. My name is Jackson, and in this demo, I'll walk through signing in with Google and demonstrate Lumimail's key features. Lumimail is a mail merge Chrome extension that integrates with your Google account, including your Google Sheets and Google Drive, to help create AI email templates and save them into your Google Drive and compose and send emails efficiently. To begin, click the Lumimail extension icon in Chrome. This will prompt to sign in. If you're signed into multiple accounts, simply choose the one you'd like to use with Lumimail. This selection lets us retrieve basic profile details like your email address and name, ensuring a personalized experience. Now, you'll see the OAuth consent screen. This screen lists the permissions Lumimail requires. Let's break them down. Let us start with Google Drive access. We request permission to access your Google Drive. This enables you to save, retrieve, and manage AI-generated email templates in a dedicated Lumimail folder. And lastly, Gmail Modify. Lumimail needs access to your Gmail with Modify rights. This lets you send emails directly from your account, create drafts, and even track responses. It's how Lumimail delivers AI-powered email composition, schedules follow-up messages, and labels sent emails for easier tracking. Before you click Continue, please take a moment to review our privacy policy and terms of service as shown on the consent screen. We encourage you to read these documents carefully. Once you're ready, click Continue. We're returned to Lumimail. The extension is now connected to Google and ready to use.